Experiencing voicemail problems on your ALDI mobile iPhone or Android device? You're not alone. Common issues include failing to receive messages, setup errors, and PIN problems. First, ensure voicemail is manually set up. On iPhone, go to Settings, Phone, Voicemail, Set Up Now. On Android, dial 6 or access the Voicemail tab in your phone app. Next, check your network connection. A weak signal can prevent voicemail from loading. If using visual voicemail, confirm the app from Verizon or AT&T is correctly installed and updated. A frequent culprit is PIN mismanagement. Try resetting your PIN by dialing 611 or through the ALDI mobile app. Remember, the default PIN is often 00 or the last four digits of your phone number. Lastly, carrier mismatches can occur, especially after SIM swaps. Reset network settings via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings on iPhone. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your ALDI mobile voicemail issues, consider these advanced fixes. For PIN reset failures, particularly on Android, clear the phone app's cache. This can often resolve app-specific bugs. To do this, go to Settings, Apps, Phone, Storage, Clear Cache. Some users on AT&T's network have reported success reconfiguring voicemail using the code 55586 plus 1 your phone number hack. If the ALDI app fails to reset your PIN, contact ALDI support directly at 1-800-925-2362 for manual account verification and unlocking. A key point to remember is that ALDI's voicemail is outsourced, so fixes are often network-specific. If all else fails, consider using third-party voicemail apps like Umail or Google Voice for more reliable service. If you are still having issues, it is important to call ALDI as the final step in this process.